All right. Admittedly, 12 is a bit of an annoying problem. Well, let's read through it how I'm reading through it, or I would read through it on my own. A display of lights contains 3 different colors of bulbs. I don't care what the colors are. There are equal numbers of each color of bulb. Okay, that's good to know. The amount of time that the bulbs stay on can be varied. However, the bulbs can always, or the bulbs always come on according to the following pattern. I don't care what the pattern is. Initially, the display is set so that all of the bulbs flash momentarily when they come on. All the bulbs flash at the same time at 12. And the question is, how many more times will all the bulbs flash at the same time before 12:05? Now that's going to be the key to the problem. There's 2 points here. In all likelihood, if you make the mistake of saying at 12:05 or including 12:05, you're only going to wind up with one of the points. So how can we go about doing this? Now we can go back and look at the information. So we know that they are red, white, and blue. Okay, I can see red, white, and blue. The red comes on every 2, blue is every 3, white is every 5. So we want to know how often these are going to intersect. Now they're flashing, so there's no time in between the flash. So what we would need here is the least common multiple. The reason we need that is because that's when all 3 of these are going to flash at the same time. So we could say, are they all going to flash every 2 seconds? No. Every 3? No. Every 5? No. Okay. So what number is there that's going to be a common to all of these? Now, since all of these are prime numbers, prime meaning you can't break them down any further, what we can do is 2 times 3 times 5, which gives us 30. So that means every 30 seconds, the lights are going to flash at the same time. That's their least common multiple, every single 30 seconds. Initially, the display sets all the bulbs. Okay, so the question is, how many more times will all the bulbs flash at the same time before 12:05? And that's kind of an annoying way to phrase it, an annoying way to ask it, but fair enough. So in the first minute, we have 2 times. In the second minute, we have 2 more times. In the third minute, 2 more times. In the fourth minute, 2 more times. Now here's the thing. In the 5th minute, if we were to count the 5th minute as having 2, that would be including 12:05. But we're trying to not include 12:05 because the people that made this test are annoying. So we're only counting at 12:04 and 30 seconds, which is 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 9 times.